Where is he?
Alright, there's a couple over there, and then there's one over there.
Is that his gun? Alright, no, it's...
No, we got the guys over there.
Okay.
It's over here, right over here in the building.
Okay. Hey, no full auto, what are you doing?
Yeah, so it's still like it.
No, not you, him.
Oh.
I think there's a guy in that building.
Yeah, they're gonna do that. Over there. AJ, watch over there.
Yeah, Black's on our team, okay.
Over there.
Crap.
Alright, you gotta...
Watch that way.
Alright, you watch that, I got that.
Alright.
They're over there.
Where? Can get him.
Watch out, watch
He's it, watch him.
Right here, what?
I'll get him too. That's 2 bullets. Maverick, there's a guy right over there at the corner. Come on, go. There's a guy at the corner, watch out. Right at the corner.
On that corner, right?
Oops, almost shot him. That was almost bad.
What? Oh.
Right, you got it.
What's that over there?
I know, they're still over there.
In the building.
Where? What building?
Building over there.
There's like 5, okay?
Alright, come JJ.
More like 10.
They're all in the building over there. Yes, that's through the window.
Oh, I see.
No, I didn't mean to.
Crap, he's in that building. I see him, I see him, I see him.
In the window.
I was shooting through the gap.
You're on green?
Oh, you are?
Then you spawn on that side, don't you? Oh, I was about to say, what the heck? Then I should have shot you. Oh, I think he's coming.
Alright, there's one in the window over there.
Oh, I saw him. I saw him. Alright, we're gonna pop up. He's in that window over there. Pop up in 3. 1, 2, 3. He's dead. He's down.
Alright, there we go.
Hey! Watch your, I'm on your team for this one. Don't shoot me. Push up, guys, push up.
We got stuck down here, but are you live? You're live? Oh.
There's someone in there going full yard.
Hurry up, go back. I'll go with you. Jordan. Come on, let's go with Travis. Travis, hurry up, let's go. This one?
Oh, whoa,
crap, there's people down there.
There is?
Yeah. Oh, he's out. Never mind. That's the ref.
Let's
go. You see him? Right behind the wall. Alright. Oh, crap. It's unsafe. Did you get him? Think I got him. Nope. Got him. He's down. I don't think I got him, but he's dead. I can't, no one's moving. Go this way. Come on, left. Run. Run, run, run. Go, go, go. Wait up for Travis. Get in here so I don't want to.
Where are they, Kyle? Across the way. Up at the Duke. Okay. Oh, schwack. There's a guy way up there.
Who's down there? Oh, you got him.
I think I got him, yeah.
Yeah, you got him.
Oh my God.
Are you still alive, Jordan?
Yeah.
Alright, good. Now let's move up. Is your gun working? Move up, move up, move up. There's a guy right at that corner. Watch the corner in front of us. Watch that way. There's a guy pop up, pop up, pop up. He's right there. No, on the left, on the left. Left. Right down there. No, he's friendly. Right over there. Right in front of us. Or you can get hit. It's okay. Moving back. Someone get him with that gun. He'll pop up. Chill. Ooh. Travis! I think I got one, but he shot my gun, so I'm alive. One's down, one's down, one's down. Here, Jordan. Alright, you can use. Reload it with this. Take the BBs out, and then pull this down and put them in.
Wait, what do you want me to do? Take them out or use the shooter loader?
Here, open your hand, open your hand. Alright, pull this down and you put them in. Put them in.
Good job, brother.
Alright, put them in.
I got it.
Pull it down and then you just put them in one by one. Here, if you need more, just carry that with you. Are they down there?
Yeah.
I think I got one. I had to have. Hit!
Yeah, hold on.
What gun do you have?
12 rounds.
I don't have that.
What ammo do you have?
.20.
No, here. Here, I'll take it. Oh, shit,
I'm tossing the mag. See if it fits. I got one, Travis. I got that guy off. Go. Where is he? I have one bullet left. I got him with one bullet left. Woo. Bye-bye, Kool-Aid man.
Got one down.
Got him. Good job, man.